Building something great can be a challenge, like assembling this simple table. We've asked 2 people to build the table.
Is there directions with this?
The difference is that only one of these people has directions.
Pop all these in first. Wish I had some directions.
Without clear instructions, it's easy to feel lost, confused, and even frustrated.
Oh gosh.
But with the right guidance, it can make all the difference. And just like building a table, growing your business online can seem daunting. But with Mass Inbound, it's simple. We provide you with the directions you need, strategic planning, targeted marketing, and all of the tools to build your online presence. Whether it's SEO, social media ads, or search engine advertising, we guide you through every step of the way. No more guesswork and no more frustration. At Mass Inbound, we turn the complex into the simple. Let us be your guide to building a successful online business in 2024 and beyond. Start running Google Ads by December 31st, and we'll give you $1,000 of ad spend on us.